Look up to the left, and everybody look to the right. Ay, ang init. Bagay ilaw ko na sinagad ng ano. Ano oras na? 7 o'clock. Blenda na side ko. Mga busy. Mga sets. Nag-temple kami. Ito na yata yung pinakamaaga kong punta sa temple. Char. Diba? Maaga ka pupunta, of course, maaga ka matatapos. I love to see the temple. I'm going there, meditating to feel the Holy Spirit. Ano lang? To listen and to pray. Galing ko kumanta. Kita nyo ba ito? Saan maganda? Ba't ka nagugulat?
And on my 18th birthday, we got matching tattoos. Used to steal my parents' liquor and come to the room. Talk about the future like we had a clue. I never planned that one day I'd be losing you. In another life, I would be your girl. So we keep all our promises. In another life, I would make you stay. So I won't have to say with the one that got away. The one that got away. So I don't have to say with the one that got away. The one that got away.
Tatlong word. Choir po. Tatlong choir. Baka ano naman ang ano si Sia.
Next. Mamaya, girl. Dito kasi. Dito.